What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and this is the first video ever of this type on my channel. So I welcome you guys if you are new here because you were drawn in by the planner. Yay! So here I am doing my 2019 Happy Planner spread. So as you can see, I have the classic size here. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did my layout for 2019, this is a transformer planner. So if you want to see more, just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so again, this is just the classic planner here. It says the Happy Planner on the back. And I have everything held together by this band because it is a transformer planner. It is quite thick. I have the gold metal rings holding it together right now. I think I am going to upgrade to the expansion, or the bigger rings, I should say. Just because I feel like I can use a little bit more room. It's a little tight right now. So I'm going ahead and pull this guy off. And so for the first planner that I will be showing you guys in this transformer planner, this will be my social media and business planner. So I am a hairstylist, so I have appointments daily that I just like to jot in here, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and bust her open. As you can see, when you first open it up, my name is there. Nothing fancy because, you know, I'm just not that advanced yet, but I have my year at a glance for 2019-2020. And then on this side, it just says grateful for, don't forget, birthdays, monthly goals. And I always keep these little sheets here just because sometimes I just like to keep a running list of whatever may have you. And then I have my business goals and YouTube goals. So this is just kind of like an overview of the things that I would like to do in the first quarter of the year. Well, not quite all of these, but you know, if you guys want to see how I put this guy together, I will be more than happy to do that video for you. But anyways, let's just continue on to the planner part. So again, like I said, I like keeping these little sheets here just to keep a running list. So I have my YouTube videos that I want to get filmed, and then I have Instagram posts that I will plan out for next week. So obviously we're already into the first week of January, so I didn't even want to show you guys that, but this is for next week's. So I went on ahead and I have like a basic, you know, layout for how I typically do my planner. In this first column here, I just put like little reminders that I need to, you know, just keep in mind. So my husband, he's a fireman, so you know, there's days when he's gone for 24 hours at a time, so I'll just put in like, you know, his schedule. And then like if I have like any bills that are coming out, any errands to run, so on and so forth, I put it all in that first column. Now in the second column, I just write down all of my appointments that I have in the salon. And then in the bottom column, that's where I'll kind of leave space as far as like an actual schedule of how I do my YouTube videos, when I may edit, so on and so forth. So I just kind of leave space for that. I haven't filled out my schedule yet for that, just because I have to double check and make sure that, you know, I'm not missing anything out as far as like the kids' schedule or anything like that. So that is it for how I've been doing my business slash I guess social media planning. This is typically all the planning that I would do as far as like, you know, a main planner, but I'm trying to do a little bit more, as you can see. All right, so moving on to this portion of my business planner, this is where I will be doing all of my YouTube ideas. So I went on ahead and I picked up these project and goal sheets. And what I'll do is I'll just kind of do like a rough draft of any like video ideas that I may have that are outside of the norm, something that needs a little bit more planning. So haven't used it yet, but this is kind of like what I was thinking of using as far as planning out my YouTube video footage and things. So yeah, that's it for this planner. Now moving on to this portion of my planner. This is going to be my health and wellness journal. So again, I have like these little sheets here, and then, you know, it has like the little intro page, little year in a glance. And then it has like, these are my fitness goals, and these are like, I really like this page. I like this layout. So it says currently, and it asks you reading, penning, watching, loving, dreaming, feeling, listening, celebrating. I really like this section because I really feel like it makes you pay attention to what you have going on with yourself. So like feeling and listening and dreaming. I really think those things are important. So I love that it has this in this portion of the planner. Then it has monthly goals, and then just some notes, and then things not to forget, and birthdays. Like I did with the last planner, I went on ahead and did a goal sheet. This goal sheet is specific to the first 3 months of the year. So I have a 4, 8, and 12 week goal as far as my fitness journey is concerned. So yeah, that's how I kind of, you know, put that together just to kind of remind myself. And so as far as this planner goes, I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do the layout. Right now, I'm just kind of playing around with different ideas. So as you can see, I haven't really filled it up yet, but I'll probably watch a few more videos just to see, you know, how other people do their or lay out their planners or journals, because I do want to leave a section in here. Maybe I'll like kind of I'll probably pull this out and like do like a little sheet or something just to kind of journal what I'm feeling, and you know, anything that I may be going through, just anything that I want to jot down and journal real quick. I also seen where the Happy Planner has like little inserts that you can stick, you know, in your loops here. So I don't know, I'm going to play around with some ideas, but as for right now, this is kind of how I have it laid out. Don't have it really filled out yet because like I said, this is for next week. So I'll probably sit down tomorrow and actually really plan out the week. But this is all that I have going on for this right now. If you guys have suggestions as far as videos that like maybe have really good ideas on how to lay out your fitness and wellness journal, I would really appreciate that. Leave it down in the comments. All right, we are now into the last portion of my Transformer planner here. So this says hustle hard, girl, because that's what it is for my home life and financial life. So here we have just like a little dashboard where I keep my weekly meal plan and grocery lists. I bought these half sheets. I used to use these sheets, so I'm just going to go on ahead and use up the rest of these. But as you see, it has like the Monday, Tuesday, you know, the week view on this side, and then the actual grocery list on this side. I thought that this would be easier just to like be able to easily rip it away and take along with me when I actually go grocery shopping. That way I don't have like this huge sheet of paper with me to like check items off. So I really thought that these would be helpful and, you know, very useful. Then we have our budget portion. Now I don't have all the items for this portion yet because they were sold out of a lot of things when I went to Michael's and Joann's and even Staples. I even stopped at Staples. Crazy, right? So yeah, I don't have everything in my budget journal yet, but I just have like basic items. So I'll just go on ahead and show you guys. So again, I have this folder here and I just keep all of my bills in there. Any coupons I keep on the back. And then I have another dashboard here. Now I keep like a little cheat sheet of my monthly budget in these papers here. and as well as just some small goals that I need to keep in mind. So as you see, this is January's month at a glance of all of the due dates that I need to keep in mind as far as my bills are concerned. Then it has your bill pay checklist, and it has, like, you know, the due date, amount, and then you can kind of check off once it's paid. And how I set this up, because again, I am a hairstylist, so I have my own business, I'm independent, so I have to keep track of all of my expenses there as well. So I just kind of separate the 2 pages that way. So this would be, you know, my bill pay at home and then my bill pay at work. And then on these sheets, they have just like expense trackers where you can just kind of keep track of transactions. I'm not the greatest at this portion, so I am going to make it a habit to sit down at the end of every night and just kind of go over all of my expenses. And I've kind of been considering getting like a mini planner just for this specifically, but you know, for now, this is what I'm doing. And then on this sheet here, it has your budget review. What did you have the most trouble? What could I improve? What goals can I set for next month, type of thing. And then this will typically be, you know, matched up here, but since I don't have next month's yet, this would be next month's month at a glance, and it'll just give you your projected costs, your actual costs, and then the difference. And then like you just break all of that down with your income as well. Then I have these guys just to separate my budget from just like my notebook paper. I use the graph paper for my goal setting sheets. So I really like keeping this because I'm always writing down notes, etc., etc. But these guys, so just to kind of rewind a bit, I planned on using these for my appointments. So instead of using a ton of stickers to kind of keep it clean in the middle, I like the idea of using this to kind of like create lines to be able to, you know, write my appointments down with. And it has one with a check box, and then the other has a hold on, the other one just has dots, if you can see that. All right, you guys, so that is everything that is in my 2019 Transformer Planner. If you guys would like to see more in regards to what I use to actually do my planning, I do have my little, you know, my handy dandy little bag here that carries and houses all of the items that I use for my planning. I'm talking about pens, washi, highlighters, stickers, all that jazz. So if you want to see more in regards to planning, definitely make sure that you comment down below that you like this video. However, my channel is typically beauty related, so if you like that sort of thing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and check out some of my previous videos. So yeah, that's all for this one. If you guys want to see more, again, make sure that you comment down below. I thank you guys so much for coming by today, and happy planning, happy 2019, and good luck on all of your goals this year. See you later.